Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my hotel. This hotel I have quarantined for 10 days. So let's have a look how is my hotel room and everything I'm going to show you. So let's have a look. So this is my hotel, so you can see. so first we will look at the bathroom. This is the washroom. This is the bathroom. Then let's have a look at the room. Have a big TV. And this is my laptop. Okay, this is my breakfast is ready. This is a bed. Have a telephone connection, so if anything you need we can call them. So this is the outside road view. I will show you. Also this is a cupboard. So this is the safe, so we can put inside and we can lock it with any safety things. Also you have a laundry bag, also shaving kit, shoe shining. This is for shoe shining, and this is the shaving kit. There is nothing. Also there we have a heater and tea bags. Here there is coffee. So there is a small fridge. I just keep my things. There is a teacup. So the sleeper they kept very only. This is what they have inside the hotel. Then this is the outside view of their room. Outside view. This near sports roundabout. This is the hotel name called Warwick Hotel. This is a 5-star hotel. So I have 2 more days to finish. I think tomorrow my quarantine will be finished. So I just want to show how is the hotel and the room and the facilities. This actually cost me 5,000 Qatari riyal. See, this is the outside view. Very nice, very beautiful, and let's on this light also. So let's have a look of my food. This is today my breakfast. Okay, let's see what they have. This is having 2 egg and noodles, and one I don't know, it's like a cutlet. Also have one chutney with jam and butter, juice and fruit salad. Also having here some cucumber, carrot and cheese. Also having bun. This is my breakfast today. So they are giving the whole egg, so you have to remove it, you have to clean it. So this is the breakfast, and also I will show you how is the lunch and dinner. So let's clean the egg first. This I think like cutlet. Egg. Also take one piece of cucumber. Also, there is a triple cheese. Put inside. Then we can eat. We would olive. They're giving olive. Salty. Also some carrot and cucumber. Cucumber. Having one fruit salad. The fruit salad. Serving apple, pineapple, grapes, apple, pineapple pieces, and orange.